Counselors, since you both can't settle this case, I want you to go pick a jury right now. Judge, if we pick a jury today, is there any way we can start the trial in 1 week? Do you want to know what the judge is likely going to say? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is yes, the judge can tell us to go pick a jury right now. But now, when I ask the judge if we can go ahead and start the trial a week later, does the judge have the ability to say yes? The answer is yes, he does. He has the ability to schedule when we pick a jury. He has the ability to tell us when we can start a trial. Now, why would I ever ask the judge to do that? Well, there are a couple of reasons. The most important reason is that we may not have known, or we may not have expected that the judge was going to send us out to pick a jury. When we go in for a settlement conference, if we can't reach a settlement during the course of this conference, now it's unlikely that the judge is going to go ahead and send us out to pick a jury right then and there. Most cases, the judge will tell us, okay, we're now going to set this matter down for trial, and I want you to come back on the following date. That's typically what will happen. But in some instances where the judge has gotten very upset at one side or the other, he may say, go pick a jury right now. And what that does is it puts tremendous pressure, not just on the party that he's upset with, but also the other party as well. And by the way, it may induce both parties to try and settle that case very quickly because either one of them or one side is not ready to start the trial. So it's a tactic that the judge can sometimes use to try and put extreme pressure on one side or the other. Now, another key reason why we might ask the judge to go ahead and pick the jury today and now start the trial a week from today, because our witnesses are not ready. They're not lined up. Our medical experts are not lined up. And now it's going to take time to get those witnesses set up so that now they come in for trial a week later, a week and a half later, 2 weeks later. And that's why it's critical to ask for some additional time. So how does that work logistically? What will happen is we'll go ahead and pick the jury in likely 1 day, maybe a day and a half. And now the jurors will be told, if the judge tells us it's okay, the jurors will be told, listen, ladies and gentlemen, now that you are selected as a juror on this case, we are actually starting trial a week from today. And now the jury knows, okay, they have to go back to work, and the following week they have to come back in to get ready to start this particular case. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on during the course of litigation as the case gets ready to go to trial. You know, I realize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and your matter happened here in New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.